सो हेयर इज ललिता महल पैलेस। आपने ये पैलेस रिसेंटली केजीएफ मूवी में भी देखा होगा एंड आज मैं आपको इसके एग्जीक्यूटिव रूम का टूर देने वाली हूँ।
Hi everyone, this is Yogita and welcome to the another video of He, She and Baby. This is going to be another travel vlog and we are staying here in Lalitha Mahal Palace and I'm going to give you the room tour. So we just entered and I thought I should make a video before the room became a mess. So yeah, just start with that. So that's the room. Let's go. So I should tell you, I actually wanted to share that this is I booked this place. So that's how we entered in the room. That's a small cute seating place, I should say. And yeah, you know what, I booked this place because it's birthday celebration time and we are going to have a really fun time. You can see the beauty of heritage values associated with this palace. So let's just go in the room now. And that's the room. Because of the COVID and all, the rooms are priced very low, literally. See, okay, before going into the room, here we have the washroom, so I'll just give you the glimpse of that. And the room has a pool also. I hope we'll be able to make most of it. So yeah, I think if you are someone who are looking some really good luxury time during a weekend and you're staying in Bangalore, I think this is such a nice place. So there we entered in the room. Here we have kept out the luggage and you can see the view. So the room has view of Chamundi Hills. And there you can see little Dhruvika having her fun time. Say hi to everyone. Hi. And that's me. Hi, and that's the beauty. कौन है? And so I actually booked this place because of one most important reason. Yeah, खोलना. She's saying खोलना. Okay, open कर दिया. Now you do. I booked this place because this is a heritage property and I really wanted to see, experience all those things here. So that's why we are staying here. Hi! You can see the small little area. I really love the chairs and this color combination out there. I think it's really relaxing already. Sadly I need to tell you that I think we are here for only for a day and let's go to the balcony now. See the view. Oh my god. This is such a beautiful view. This is the swimming pool view basically and the Chamundi Hills. See? Isn't it looking so pretty? I'm sure. And the best part is इस जो रूम का जो चार्म है वो यहीं ख़त्म नहीं होता. There we have a surprise, another surprise. We have another balcony. So let me just show you that. There we go. So this is an open space come balcony and with a swing that makes it so relevant for a couple. And there you see the palace. There you can see the beauty of the palace right here. Can you see that? See? Wow. Did you like this place? In case, do let me know. You can always ask any questions related to this place in the comment section. And अभी हम एंट्री हुए हैं तो हॉस्पिटैलिटी और खाने का रिव्यू आगे वीडियो में मिल ही जाएगा, तो देखते रहिएगा.
हमारी ये विज़िट कोविड सेकेंड वेव के टाइम की है और उस टाइम पे होटल के प्राइस बहुत डाउन थे. सो वी गॉट दिस रूम फॉर ओनली 2800 रुपीज़. बट यस, ये जो एग्जीक्यूटिव रूम है इसका बहुत चार्जेस होते हैं और ये प्रॉपर्टी बहुत
हम्म।
हमेशा फुल रहती है। तो अगर आपको यहाँ रहना है तो आपको पहले से बुकिंग करनी होगी। इसी के अलावा ये तो जस्ट एक छोटा-सा पार्ट है, मेरी मैसूर की और ललिता महल से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी वीडियोज़
How
आने
was the
वाली है, तो
birthday gift?
बने रहिए। एंड यस,
Super.
प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल
Do you like the deep?
एंड थैंक यू सो
Yes.
मच फॉर वॉचिंग
Do you
दिस
like the
वीडियो। आपको
view?
कोई भी क्वेश्चन है यू
Yes.
कैन
Will
डेफिनिटली
you
आस्क
kiss
मी
me
थ्रू द
now?
कमेंट सेक्शन एंड यस,
No.
and here is a glimpse of birthday celebration of Mohit and why we actually went to Lalitha Mahal Palace.